YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Qua.
In half a mile, turn right to merge onto US 1 South toward I-76.
This shit always fucked up, bro. Oh, God. But, YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Qua. Back at it again, another video.
At the light, turn right. At the next light, turn right.
We is on our way to go see if they got the SRT truck, bro. Oh, God. I'm a little excited. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all boys. The reason why I'm excited is because, like, I want something fast that's gonna meet my like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like young shit, like young.
At the light, turn right onto Wissahickon Avenue.
We're on our way. I'm probably hear the GPS in the background type shit. But I was doing my shop because I just feel like I'm kicking out $1,000 for a rental. That's not even my car insurance. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, man, I'm finna go see if they got that motherfucker SRT.
In half a mile, take a slight right turn onto West Abbotsford Avenue.
Like I was saying, I'm like, you know what I mean? I'm finna go see if they got the SRT Jeep online. See if I can find one for a good, fair price. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like when you looking online for a car, especially like SRTs, because next year is the end of the year, that they, Dude, what's going on, man? It's your boy Qua back in another video, boy, ass type shit. Yeah, y'all. I just left CarMax, bro. I did not like what they was doing in there, bro. I just feel like I ain't even get to go record and show the car type shit. So, let me just tell you what happened. So, I got in there type shit. Now, credit plays an important factor. This is a video for people that's in the mid credit score. When I say mid, meaning like you're in the sixes, you like high five.
In 10 miles, take exit 10 onto Route 440 North toward Metuchen.
I'm in the high sixes, right? So I just said, fuck it. I'm gonna get me a car today, bro. Because I'm tired of driving the goddamn rental. My car got fucking... I just paid half of my $600 credit card $600 my credit card last night. Now I wake up at $700, I pay half of that. It was like, goddamn, bro. Like, I ain't about to keep living on my credit card. This goddamn rental, they charging the car to get the rental. Fuck that, bro. What I'm gonna do is, you know what I'm saying? My ass finna go look for a car type shit. So I call while I'm at the CarMax. Like, he talking to me, but I ain't really feeling his energy. I ain't feeling. I'm real big on energy and vibes. You know what I'm saying? If the energy ain't real and if the energy ain't genuine, and then there's no deal. You know what I'm saying? So I'm real big on that. So motherfucker get a glick and he start talking this shit, and the nigga talking about yeah, I don't think I can get your approval for this car. They gonna want at least 10 bands down.
Hazard reported ahead in a quarter mile.
I want to put $1,200 down on the car today, type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Because for real, if you know, consumer law, if it's a finance charge, you're not supposed to be charged with a finance charge type shit. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? If they gonna violate my rights, I'm gonna violate it all the way out, because, you know what I'm saying? Their money, half will go to the registration and half will go to you type shit. You know?
Save 3 minutes via US 9 North.
I said, fuck it. I'm finna go to Elizabeth, New Jersey, because they got an SRT down there, and I'm finna go see what the fuck going on. And I got an RT challenging. You know what I'm saying? And mind you, that these cars now, with these cars, I'm planning on changing the body. So I ain't really tripping. You know what I'm saying? But, anytime I open these cruise on...
In 7.9 miles, take exit 10 to merge onto Route 440 North toward Perth Amboy.
The car that's $20,000 in. The motherfucking SOTA time, 2013, they want $20,000 for that fucking car. I said, shit, I might as well go there. Because if y'all telling me, I ain't gonna get nothing for like at least it's in the high 20s, then shit, I might as well go shoot my shot at a car that's low 20. Fuck all that. And if I don't get it, I'm bringing my ass back home and I'll start over. Or, shit, I'm right over the bridge in New Jersey. I might as well go to New Jersey and fucking go and see what's up with the motherfucking Wild Bite Scat. That motherfucking go hard over there too. And they got New Jersey. The New York got some shit. They got some shit for the charge type shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm on, bro. I'm on my way there now. I'm like 30-something minutes away, type shit. I really could close this gap. I could close it. Oh, you move. So, I figure I just give y'all a POV and a max still. Because a lot of people may fuck with this car, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people saying the car fit me. I'll be pressing it. I'll be motherfucking hawking this car and treating it. But, you know, it get up, you know what I'm saying? But just space-wise, I feel like this bitch is a girl car, bro. I'm not feeling it. I like big shit, you know what I'm saying? Big shit for a big nigga, bro. Real rap. So, with that being said, I'm on my way to go see they got the SRT8, man. Hopefully they got that motherfucker, bro. And I can put something down on it. You know what I'm saying? Put something down to get the car and then pull off type shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't gonna lie, bro. Alright, I'm just ready to just get on, like, get back where I need to be at, type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of fucking having to rental and shit, and there's just a lot to come with. There's a lot to come with, especially when you know it ain't your shit. It's a lot, bro. I make sure the shit good. I already got a chip in the motherfucking window and shit. But I just feel like I'm ready to grow, bro. I'm ready to grow in a whole nother way. But man, we gonna get this car, and I'm on my way there. So this time around, bro, I'm getting straight to the point. Like, y'all got the car, and y'all give me approved, bro. That's real shit, nigga. That bitch fire, bro. That motherfucker car fire. But it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want that shit so I could go, because I'm already 36 minutes away from the spot. You know what I'm saying? Where I was at. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm already on top of that. Another 57. I'm like, then they're 2 hours away. But we finna see what it do. Let's see if we can go get the car today. But I'm looking for exit 10. Because she have 10 about that. So with that being said, I'm gonna hit y'all boys up when I get to the location. Hopefully the fucking vehicle's there and they ain't on no bullshit, bro. Cause I'm gonna be pissed off. I'm a little pissed off. But they got other shit though, you know what I'm saying? They got a 2010 BMW M3. I would take that. They got the Q50 there. I'll take that. Or I'll take the 20. I hope that ain't an 06 Charger. Challenger. I ain't gonna go with that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's a narrow body and I can change the interior and all that, but that just causes you having to pay extra, pay for the face to come out of the fucking dashboard and shit like that. Damn, what's all the bumps over here, bro? God damn, they need to fix that road. This shit like in the middle of Atlanta. Everybody gotta take the road to go to work. God damn, fix the goddamn road. That motherfucker. Get them all like this and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, whatever, since I'm gonna miss my exit, I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get there, cause boy, even though I'm playing that Herbo, this phone got GPS on I'm recording with. It said exit 10. I don't think 10 coming up, but I see another sign there, so like I said, I'm gonna hit y'all boys when I get there. Hopefully everything go good. Pray for me. So, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad, back at another video, and today we in here, bro, with the motherfucking goat, bro, itself, me on God. But today I'm at Auto M Group, bro. I'm trying to get approved for this SRT8 Charger. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I gotta run to the car, move the car, because I got a ticket out here. And then, second of all, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get approved for this car. And I know I'm had a hella tickets I gotta pay down, bro, but I'm gonna do it anyway, but also real, I hope my mom co-sign and I just repair her credit and my credit, bro. Cause I currently repair credit. It's just, I got a method. I ain't used it yet. I'm gonna use it today, type shit. Or I'm tired as fuck. I heard we get back to this car, move it. And today I need to get one of them fucking things on my key ring again. But I thought I was going to work. I doubt that. I'm be up here by the time, bro. They shit like they're 2 hours away. Type shit. But, you know, we gotta get the car. We gotta get it. They're extending my rental out for like 2 extra days to Tuesday. They trying to see what's going on with the Ford. I ain't really talk about the Ford channel, but I'm gonna talk about the Ford. But I'm trying to get a new wheel, bro. And I really want an SRT. So, what better than getting an SRT? But my mom credit not bad. I appeared it's just type shit where it's though like she only got one thing as a car. And the car didn't have paid off. So, that being said, I'm just gonna move this car over there and try to get this car. It's hot as fuck, bro. Hot as hell, bro. Oh. What? I'm really trying to get this bitch today, bro. Oh God, I love my mom, bro. My mom's like, man, I'm good for it. Like, just do it. So, we're gonna try to do it. Type shit. See how far we get. Type shit. But, yeah. It's your boy Qua. I'm checking in with y'all. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Srtquaddi back in another video, bro. And I'm just upset. Like, I only really could take this moment and build from it, but I'm just beyond irked, bro. Like, the fuck is this car on? But nah, man. I just went to the car lot and I touched drove the fucking SRT, bro, and I couldn't get it. Couldn't get it. Because right now I'm in a rebuilding stage of credit. Like, I just feel like I got enough time, bro. But it's like, nobody wants to drive that ugly ass Ford. You know what I mean? So now, I was supposed to be at work. I drove all the way out here to see if they had it. Somebody gonna get that car. It's fine. I'm not tripping. But, man, I'm just the fuck off, man. I'm irked because it's like, this is my dream car, bro. I only see myself with that car, bro. I look at that car day in and day out. That car be on my mind 24/7, bro. That's real shit. I don't see myself with nothing melt that car. So it's like, I'm going
At the next light, turn right.
I may be tripping like, damn, he going hard for a car, nigga. What about a crib? It's like, nigga, I'm going to get a crib. But it's like, nobody want to try that big-ass Ford, bro. I really regret getting that car, bro. I really do. And now, mind you, the exterior is open, but I haven't paid the car note. Because it's like, I'm thinking the Ford will get totaled out. Why am I paying on the car? I'm not driving. Now, when I get the car back, if they do fix it, I got to pay on it. Like, it's just like, yo, what the fuck,
At the light,
bro?
turn right onto Brunswick Avenue. Then turn left.
That car, bro. It's just not for me. It's not what I like. It's not my speed. It's not my forte. Like, if they get to fix that car, I'm going to trade that car the second I get the car back. That's how I feel, bro. But today, bro, it's just a type of day where I dedicate myself to credit, bro. That's real shit. I got to dedicate myself to the score, bro. That's real shit. I need to.
Turn left toward New Jersey Turnpike.
Like, I just need to, bro. I'm disappointed in myself right now, bro. I'm not even gonna sit up here in front. I'm so disappointed in myself right now, bro. Like, beyond. I feel like I should have had that car today, bro. Like, honestly, bro, like, this shit I be talking about, bro. Like, I'm not saying worried about others set me back, but it's like, damn, bro. Like, you fucked that money up, bro. Like, when your score was there, bro, like, you could have pulled that trigger, bro. And now you gotta really work hard to get that shit, bro. It just pisses.
Keep right onto I-278 West toward I-95 South. Then keep left.
I really do, bro. Like, that shit pisses me the fuck off on a whole nother extent, bro. I really do, bro. Really do, bro.
I used to wait all day and night. Got young dad when pulling up. I can't wait to live my life. I would know with dice and stick 'em up.